Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, you're going to learn about how can I merge the properties of the two JavaScript objects dynamically. Okay, so for that I have to create the two objects, the object 1, the object 2 here. All right, and in object 1 I want to have the prop, I want to have the color property, and I want to have the weight property. All right, and in the object 2 I want to have the height property, and I want to have the edge property. So how can we merge the properties of both of these objects? To merge the properties of the JavaScript objects, I have to use the split operator. So let's just create another variable merged here, and merge, we're going to create the object, and inside that we're going to use the split operator. So now let me just console log this. Alright, so let me just console log this and see how does this work. Okay, so now you can see here that the properties of the object 1, the color and the weight, are merged with the properties of the object 2, height and the edge. You can also merge the properties of more than two objects. So I'm gonna simply create a third object here. Let me just copy this. It would be the object 3, and I'm gonna write here something stupid, prop and prop again, and try to use the split operator again to merge the property of the third object 3. Alright, so let me just run it again. Now you would see we have the 6 different properties in our merged object. So this is how it works. So this is how you can merge the properties of the object in the JavaScript, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.